Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to exit back to the title screen in Black Myth Wukong. While for some this tutorial may seem obvious, this is a really tricky thing to do in Black Myth Wukong. It is quite hidden in the options, so it is not quite obvious for the new players. First, of course, open the main menu. While in the main menu, you will need to go into the settings. In settings, in the Quit Game section, simply tap Return to the title screen and tap Confirm. Remember that any unsaved progress will be lost, so go and save your game at the shrine before you do this. Continue journey, press the left mouse button to confirm, and you're right back on the title screen. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.